What's up, Model Brats? It's Vishal Gadia, and today we're going to do a new what if called What If Naruto Got the Renegon. So this what if is many others have done this, but I have my own iteration of it, my own story for what if Naruto got the Renegon. So yeah, without any further, let's get watching. So if you guys don't understand how Naruto gets the Renegon, if he's born with it or if he's given, the answer is he's given from Nagato. Okay, so how he's gonna get it, I'll tell you. But first, we have to start. The story starts from when Naruto meets Itachi alone, not when Naruto goes to retrieve Gaara. It's after that. Before Jiraiya dies, Naruto and not no after Jiraiya dies, Naruto meets Naruto and Itachi. Talk about a little bit. That's when Itachi says to Naruto, like being a Hokage doesn't mean people will acknowledge you. That sticks with Naruto. But Itachi he is the one from the Akatsuki who's trying to catch Naruto. So Itachi knows how Naruto reacts. He is emotional. So Itachi decides to help Naruto. He can't just like boom, you're intelligent. He can't do that. Now, can he? Itachi decides to do one thing. So he says that he just before putting making Naruto swallow the crow with Shishu's eye in it. Now what is his name? Yeah, Itachi uses the Genjutsu, the Kotomatsukami on Naruto. Now what will be it? Is he gonna be loyal to the village? Nah. It's gonna be use your judgment instead of your emotions, because Naruto, all we all know Naruto, mostly goes with this emotional side of things, because adult Naruto or in the Naruto from the Boruto series uses judgment, because if he went emotional, yeah, that's not gonna be something not to take it lightly. So Itachi, puts Genjutsu on Naruto, and Kurama first wants to help him, but when he realizes what this genjutsu is, he just like, yeah, this kid needs it, and he doesn't interfere with it. So Naruto got a Kotomatsukami in him, and when he's stunned, and Itachi just puts his crow inside of Naruto's belly, which is kind of disgusting now you think about it. But anyways, that's one. So Naruto, quickly comes back, then hears about Jiraiya's death. Naruto is still saddened, because even though he thinks by judgment, he's like he doesn't. What does it say? Yeah, his emotions doesn't cloud his judgment, but still, Jiraiya, who he spent his 3 years of life with, and he doesn't know. Yeah, Naruto doesn't know that Jiraiya is his godfather, because Jiraiya never told Naruto who his parents were. So Naruto thinks of him as a parental figure, Jiraiya as a parental figure. So Naruto still gets depressed, puts his Konoha band down, and just walks out. But Naruto doesn't need Naruto needs Shikamaru comes to Naruto, to console him, because Asuma died for him, and basically Shikamaru and Naruto are kind of in the same position, except for Shikamaru, who has a dad. But it hits Naruto really hard. But after having the talk with Shikamaru, Naruto's like, yeah, I shouldn't forget, and then he starts finding the clues, and due to Naruto being not clouding in emotions, he's able to find the clues a lot quicker, which means he goes to the training of the Sage Mode a lot quicker. He achieves the Sage Mode a lot quicker. But he still doesn't come back, because he wants to at least make it so he doesn't mess it up. So that means that Naruto has a little more over perfection, not perfect Sage Mode, because Naruto didn't have a perfect Sage Mode even in the war arc. He still needed Shadow Clones to do that. But adult Naruto without any Shadow Clones can easily attain Sage Mode. Minato can do it, no problem, because Minato has a lot of time to achieve Sage Mode, but yeah, we're not gonna go that far. Naruto still needs to use Shadow Clones to, gather Sage Mode, but he's able to gather a little quicker. So when Sakura goes, please Naruto, and Naruto comes, he battles plane. That exact that still happens. Naruto gets, even if his control of chakra rods is still there. I mean, even if his control of the sage mode is better, he's still gonna get this ass whooped. And Hinata's gonna come, she's gonna propose like, Naruto-kun, I love you. And no, she dies. Maybe she dies. Yeah, and the Hyuga's like, Princess Hinata is doing something, Sakura, you're not doing something. That meme was kinda good. I was just gonna explain this. But yeah, the Hyuga member tells that to Sakura, and Sakura doesn't really care. So, whatever. Hinata dies or not dies, whatever. She's okay after the pain arc. So Nada, even though he is judgmental, I mean his emotions doesn't cloud his judgment, but still, when someone just proposes you a couple of minutes ago and she dies in front of you, that's gonna pretty rage out. And plus, Hinata, never what is it? Yeah, never bullied Naruto. Is that something called? No, yeah, she was kinda she just proposed to Naruto. That's a big thing for Naruto because Naruto never got proposed in his entire life, and yeah, Naruto still goes rampant. Goes to 5 tails, 6 tails, 7 tails, goes to 8 tails, and he was gonna release the 9 tails. Yeah, all the 9 tails, but then Minata comes and is like, yo, Naruto, I'm your father, so stop releasing it. Naruto punches him in this, not in the stomach, he punches him in the face. Okay, because even though he is the fourth Hokage, that doesn't mean that he can just abandon his son. So Naruto now punches his father in the face. Naruto and him have a talk. Naruto is like, yeah, sure, why not? And Minato knows what Itachi did to Naruto, and he is not happy but not sad at the same time because even he knows that Naruto is more into the emotional type of thing because he can understand because Naruto fought through his troubles alone. So the friends he got, it's more emotional to him because Naruto never had any friends. Yeah, until Shikamaru and Choji shows up, but still. Anyways, what am I talking about? It's more than 8 minutes now. I'm just talking about stupid shit. So Naruto, Minato, tells Naruto to do his job. Naruto comes back, then he fights Pain the second time. Rematch. A third time, I guess, because Naruto first fought with Sage Mode, then fought with Kyuubi's Chakra. Now he's fighting in his base form. Whatever, he's fighting Pain for the last time, and this time Pain slashes Naruto's right eye because this is gonna be important. He slashes Naruto's right eye, which pains him, but he grits it to his pain. Defeats Naruto. Pain uses the chakra rods, goes to Nagato's hiding spot under the tea. It's hard by hitting 8 minutes for straight. So Naruto goes inside and he meets Konan. Konan tries to attack him, Nagata tries to attack him, but he still imitates them. Intimidates them, and Naruto and Nagata has that peace, their version of peace. And Nagata's like, yeah, I have made a fall, let me do it, right? And he goes to do the Reneri, but when Naruto asks a question out of nowhere, even he doesn't know why he's asking this question. Naruto says, well, can you help me with my eye? I'm blinded I'm actually blinded in one eye right now, so can you help me with that? I don't know, maybe because you're a senior ninja. You're more experienced than me in this category, so can you help me? Nagata just raises his eyebrow because he doesn't sense any malicious intent or any other intent. Naruto is just curious if Nagato can do anything. Nagato looks at Konan looks at Nagato just nods. Konan hesitates flinches for a second, but then nods. Then Nagato just uses the Rene Rebirth, and while he's using the Rene Rebirth, he uses a Genjutsu on Naruto. And this genjutsu is what you call Nagato's Renegan abilities, like Almighty Push, Almighty Pull, the Ashrapath, then I don't know, Ashrapath, Human Path, the Chakra Absorption Path. I forgot what his name was. Wait a second. So yeah, it's what is his name? Yeah, they Diva Path, Animal Path, Preta Path, Human Path, Asura Path, and Nakara Path. Then also there's outer path, and yeah, that's it. There are 7 parts of pain. Yeah, 7 parts of pain. So if you guys don't know what the 7 parts of pain is, just go search Google, call the 6 parts of pain, because whatever. So all the parts of pain have a, except for the what's the last, the outer part. Except for the outer part, all other parts have a physical formation, like the preta part, which is the pain's main body. No, the tendo part, or what we call it, the diva path. Yeah, it's called the diva path. And yeah, Naruto gets to learn about this knowledge, and he's confused about why the hell Nagato is using this genjutsu. But when Nagato's Rene Rebirth completes, oh yeah, and Rene Rebirth, and that's all Nagato's power. I think that's all, right? Yeah, that's it. And yeah, he has Rene Rebirth, and what is that called? The big move, the devastation. What's that called? Devastation. Planetary devastation. Planetary devastation. All that information goes to Naruto. Naruto's confused about why the hell Nagato is giving this. But when Nagato completes his Rene Rebirth, Nagato goes lifeless. Konan, tears fall out of her, but she contains herself. She goes to Nagato, picks out one of his eye, and she tells him, this is Nagato's final wish. He wants to give this Renegan to you. Naruto is shocked. He didn't want an eye of someone else. All he asked was, is there any way to repay an eye or not? That's what he asked. He didn't want a Renegan. But if he got it, he won't really, can really reject it, because after getting the genjutsu about how Nagato's abilities work, it's kind of useful. So Naruto hesitates for a bit, Konan pressures him because it's Nagato's final wish, and Naruto finally succumbs to this pressuring, and Konan fits Nagato's eyes into Naruto. After kind of getting an adjust, not literally perfecting his Renegan ability, kind of getting to see again, he covers his eyes with his headband. Because, he goes Kakashi style, because he doesn't really want to show this to anyone right now, because he doesn't know what trouble it's gonna bring. Because Naruto has his logical side within him now, which isn't completed by emotions. His Talk no Jutsu is different. He put when he was Talk no Jutsuing Nagato, he put some logical basis instead of just putting emotional basis like he did in canon. So now Naruto quickly realizes that this power is great as well as dangerous. So he needs to keep it a high identity. He might tell Kakashi Sensei, maybe not, but only Kakashi Sensei. So Naruto goes out, Konan gives a flower to Naruto, not as a proposal, but to put it in Jiraiya's grave. Naruto goes to Jiraiya's grave, puts it in, and doesn't mumble. Naruto goes and starts walking back, but he faints because his chakra absorption is due to the Renegan, basically sucking out his chakra. He faints a little more earlier, but since he was able to complete absorb a little of Sage Mode, whatever. Kakashi comes, picks him up. But when they're going in the middle of the thing, Naruto again tells Kakashi about this. Kakashi is shocked beyond belief. Okay, his student, his sensei's son, just has the almighty push, the almighty Renegan in his right eye. Okay, this is my baffling. Okay, even though he has a Sharingan in his left eye right now, this is way more serious than a Sharingan. Yeah, so if you get a Sharingan in this in this current time, it will be a big matter because Uchihas are dead, so you won't have a Sharingan. So Renegan is even a bigger ability in that. It's a bigger problem than that. And Kakashi, realizes that this is advantageous and a dangerous thing. So Kakashi says he'll keep his mouth shut. And when they're going to his village, Naruto, he's replaying the talk he had with Itachi, the how you become the Hokage, you even if you become the Hokage, you won't be acknowledged. That chat, he's just repeating and repeating in his mind. And after talking to Minato, he asks something. Is this really worth becoming a Hokage? I mean, because of this village, I lost everything. So should I become the Hokage in this village? Now he thinks about it. He just thinks about it, and when they reach, everyone is celebrating, and this makes his decision perfect. Even for all these years, they treated him with hate, but now just because he saved their life, their attitude turned 180. They just completely, the hatred is gone. Naruto doesn't want to destroy the village right now. He just sighs and looks at Iruka Sensei, and he goes to Iruka Sensei, and Iruka Sensei asks him saying, you have completed your dream. Naruto just has a wide smile on his face, and yes, I have. So now I'm not gonna put up the bullshit of me becoming the Hokage. Now everyone hears that, and Kakashi asks, why? Because, by talking to Naruto for a couple of minutes before he was coming, Kakashi realized that Naruto is kind of, he has an internal battle right now. So Kakashi is a little bit doubtful, just a 1% doubtful that he might betray the village because about the Renegan and stuff. Naruto just sighs and said, I don't want to do paperwork. Everyone just looks blankly at him and everyone starts laughing. Kakashi, also just gets the whole, his thing. No. Wait a second. Gets his suspicion out of that. So after that, Naruto is gone, getting to healed. When the medical ninjas try to help Naruto's eye, he just brushes them off, saying that he doesn't need it. This is like a fight-winning trophy or something. The medics can't really understand what Naruto is thinking, but they leave him alone because Naruto just saved his village. He needs them alone time to think about things. After that, Naruto and Kakashi have a talk about Minato. Then Naruto and Naruto recovers, and the Cloud Ninja come in saying like, boom, we need information about Sasuke. And Naruto fights them out with one eye. He doesn't want to show his Rinnegan to anyone yet. Even Sakura doesn't know. And Naruto is having mixed feelings right now. Not about Sakura. He quickly realized that he doesn't like Sakura. He just wants to get attention from her, which he got after saying the Penya. So yeah, he doesn't need to call her Sakura-chan. So he just calls her Sakura for now. Sakura realizes this and is pretty confused, but she's happy because Naruto ain't gonna chase her anymore. Because she thinks that Naruto has accepted Hinata's feeling or something like that, but whatever. Naruto, the two people from Cloud Ninja come and ask information about Sasuke. The woman, what's her name called? In the Boruto series, she becomes Choji's wife. Yeah, that woman, she tries to attack Naruto, but Naruto just dodges. Instead of blocking and continuing attacking, Naruto just dodges and glares daggers at her, and just says simply, do you want to wear war against Konoha and the Cloud Village? Sakura's shocked because Naruto wouldn't talk like this. Sai is also pretty interested in what's going on with Naruto because Naruto is the only one who changed him, and basically Sai thinks that Naruto is his best friend. So yeah, he wants to know what's going on with Naruto. The Kumogakure girl, she's rowdy just like Naruto. She's rowdy, just like the past Naruto, but Naruto is more calm and collected. Then the guy of the two ninjas says, "What do you mean by war?" Naruto just sighs and what do you mean by war? Your ninja is the one who attacked us, and you're saying that we want to go to war or something? Naruto just sighs. Uchiha Sasuke has deflated from the village more than 3 years ago. Now he's a rogue Jonin, a rogue ninja. So now, whatever he does not blame into us. Does not blame into us. So all the information you have been given, only we know that. Sakura sucked because this is the first time she's hearing Naruto. She's angry because Naruto isn't supporting her Sasuke-kun. And the two ninjas, the girl is pretty angry, but the boy is calm and collected. And he and Naruto talk about it a little bit, but the girl is just shouting blah blah blah. But Naruto just completely ignores her, and they both start talking. And this talk results in Naruto not getting beaten, but Naruto still heads to the A, tries to go to A to convince him to stop hunting Sasuke, kind of, but he still begs down, and that happens. And now, until now, Naruto hasn't trained his Rinnegan, whatever. But then Sasuke, yeah. Then Sakura comes in and says, "I love you, Naruto," but Naruto gets triggered for some reason. He just slapped Sakura, saying that if she can't even be faithful for the Sasuke, she's just a bitch. And Naruto just works out. Kakashi is kind of questioning about what the hell is happening right now. Sakura's pretty angry at herself and Naruto because Naruto just called her a bitch. So yeah. Then Naruto just walks off, meets Toby, kind of, and they have their little bum blast, and Naruto gets to know that Sakura is going to hunt Sasuke. Not hunt Sasuke, Kakashi just runs away, so Naruto just follows him. He doesn't know what's going on. So when he reaches there, he sees Sasuke threatening to kill Kakashi. Naruto just jumps down and asks, "Yo, Kakashi, what's happening?" And Sasuke is the one who says, "Naruto, well, you are here." Naruto just blinks and just ignores Sasuke and says, "What's happening here? And why is he here and why are we here?" Asked Naruto, and Sasuke says, "Well, Sakura wanted to kill me, so yeah, here we are." Naruto just blankly stares at Sasuke, then at Sakura, then at Kakashi, then again at Sasuke, and then again at Sakura. Then he just wants to confirm it. He says, "So, what you mean to say is, Sakura wanted to kill you?" He says, trying to stop his laughter, which is coming out, which Sasuke didn't hear. Sasuke just says, "Yeah." And Naruto can't even handle it anymore. He starts laughing so hard. I mean, this is the best laughter he has ever had, and he comments about this. Sakura is kind of embarrassed right now because first Naruto tells her a bitch. Now he's just laughing at her conviction, kind of, because she thinks that, and Naruto is doing so. Sasuke is just completely confused about what the hell is happening. Kakashi is also confused and wonders what happened to Naruto because Naruto wasn't that smart. He thinks, but whatever. Naruto completes his laughter about a minute or so. Sasuke is pretty pissed off about Naruto's laughter, so he tries to attack Naruto. But there's a difference between this Naruto and the canon Naruto. This Naruto is calm and collected and first surveys his situation. So they are in the water, and this is pretty advantageous for Sasuke. So Naruto, when Sasuke just starts to run with Naruto just blitzes Sasuke, punching him in the stomach and pulling him out of the water. And Sasuke is surprised that Naruto was able to hit him, because Sasuke thinks that Naruto isn't on his level yet. But Naruto has a trick up his sleeve, just not the Rinnegan. And what is it? You will understand soon enough. And this is where we're gonna leave for this episode, guys. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe, do the necessary stuff. And if you don't understand, I understand. So without any further ado,